Hello, Sean.
Hi. Look.
Yeah. So what am I doing here? I am. The camera's right here, little bubs. Look it. Say hi, Daddy.
Hi, Daddy.
What you been doing tonight, Sean? Hmm? The camera is right there. There you go.
Oh, great. And, whoa! I stopped it. Whoa. Look at
Oh, I better put the cover on.
the lid.
Okay, that's enough of that. Okay, Sean.
Brighter.
Oh. You have a song to sing?
Yeah.
Want to sing a song?
You sing a song.
You sing a song.
Sing a song. Sing.
You do. Can't see you down there.
Water.
What are you doing?
Can I on that camera?
No.
Yeah.
No.
Yeah. Can I want it?
No.
Can I?
No. No. No.
Yeah.
Hey, Sean, can you count?
No.
Yes. Show Daddy how you can count.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Yeah.
Now you count.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Can you count now?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 fingers.
Mm-hmm.
Now it's your turn to count your fingers.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Now it's my turn to have the camera.
No.
I want it. I
No.
want it for a little bit.
No.
Please.
No. So, what are you getting?
This container. Can I pour the water in this container?
Okay, say bye.
Bye.
See you later.
See you later.
See you later, alligator.
Can I pour the water in that?